Alright, so this video is for Biology 234 for the hands-on lab, home lab titled Bacteria, Morphology, and Staining Techniques. And so you'll want to gather your materials. And so of the things that you supply, you'll want your active culture broths. So I have these here. You'll need a bottle of bleach. You'll need a box of matches or your lighter. So I'm just going to use this lighter. You'll need a camera or your smartphone. And you'll need disposable cups. And you'll need hand soap. So I have that in my sink. You'll need isopropyl alcohol, and you'll need a pair of scissors. So I'm going to use these. You'll need a permanent marker, and you'll need a roll of paper towels, and you'll need a source of tap water, which is at my sink. And then of the materials that you'll find in your hands-on lab box, you'll need your apron, which is here. You'll need the container of blank slides, which is here. You'll need the Congo red pipette, which looks like this. You'll need your face mask, which is here. You'll need 2 inoculation loops. So here's inoculation loops. You'll need 2 pairs of gloves. You'll need a pair of safety goggles. You'll need the staining tray, which is just this. You'll need sterile swabs, which looks like this. You'll need your tea candle, which looks like that. You'll need your test tube clamp. And then you'll need the experiment bag of the gram stains, which looks like this. Alright, so once you've gathered all your materials, we'll push it off to the side and we'll get started. Alright, so now we're ready to get started with exercise 1, which is direct and negative stains. In this exercise, you will use simple staining techniques with direct and negative stains to prepare smears. You will identify basic morphology, including bacteria shapes and arrangements. So the first step of the procedure is to clear your work area and gather all your materials. So I have them just off to the side. And then wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. And then step 3 is put on safety gloves, face mask, apron, and goggles. Alright, so now I have my gloves, mask, apron, and goggles on. And so step 4 is disinfect the work surface by wiping it down with 10% bleach solution. So I'm just going to use the solution that I saved. But there's a separate video on how to make your bleach solution if you need to make some fresh solution. And then you'll just let this air dry once you've wiped it down. All right, So now we're at step 5. Label the end of a blank side. So now we're at step 5. Label the end of a blank slide as 1-direct-m with a permanent marker. The number 1 indicates that this is the first slide. Direct indicates that the procedure will involve a direct stain, and M indicates the sample will be taken from the mouth. And then it refers to figure 10, which is that image. So we'll grab our slides and our Sharpie, and we'll just grab one slide out of here. And then there's these little pieces of paper that just keeps the slides separate. So just write 1-direct-m. So got my slide. So now we're at step 6. Flip the slide over and draw a dime-sized circle on the underside of the slide, and then it refers to figure 11. So we'll want to, so I wrote on this side, so I'm going to flip it over and draw a circle on this side. So that's what mine looks like. And then step 7 is vigorously scrape the inside of your teeth and gums with a sterile swab. So we'll just grab one of our packets of swabs, and you want to open it on the side where the handles are and just take one out. And then you will scrape the inside of your mouth near your gum line and your teeth. And I just washed my teeth, so I don't know if I'm going to see much. Okay, and then it says step 8. Set the slide so that the label is legible and facing upward. So we want to do it on this side, not this side that we drew the circle. And placing the swab only on the inside area of the drawn circle. So, and then apply the smear to the slide using a circular motion as shown in figure 12, which is right here. So we'll just, and move your swab around so that you make sure to get as much as you can transferred to the slide. Because it's also, when you are scraping your teeth, you'll want to like move the swab around so that you're getting all sides of the swab, because you don't want to like say all of my everything that I took from my mouth is on this side and then I'm swabbing with this side, then you wouldn't see anything. All right, so then it says step 9, allow this slide to completely air dry. So let's see. Yeah, you can see I did transfer quite a bit of something. So I will let this air dry and then we will be back.